was it like to ride on this bus? What was the atmosphere like?
Chaotic some days. It was a lot of fun some days. Some days it was a little more serious, but I think we all sort of felt a sense of kind of camaraderie. And as I got older, and I sort of really started to think about it like going to war. There was some sort of war battle being fought that I didn't quite understand, and we were sort of the casualties of that. Kids absorb a lot of what their parents say. I don't know that they necessarily understood it. There was a sense instilled in us that it was us against them.
You'll leave and we'll leave. You pushed us into this.
I got 5 kids going to 5 different schools. They're all being bused.
Why should they tell you where to put your kid in school? You're telling us where to live pretty soon.
A lot of these violent episodes and these instances happened because you had that rhetoric and that sort of, it became about race, and then all of a sudden you see like a black person in a white neighborhood and people are angry and they take it out on that person and words are exchanged, and then, well, we're going to exact revenge by doing this other horrible thing. And
it's quite ironic, isn't it, that communities started blaming one another when in fact the authorities were actually enforcing
that is the
it.
most tragic part of that. I think it did a lot of damage to this neighborhood, to a lot of Boston neighborhoods.